Assalamualaikum. How to draw a Donald Duck easy and step by step. First of all, I draw his face on white foam paper and its beak on orange foam paper and his shirt on blue foam paper and draw his hands and legs step by step. Now I join them with UHU on chart and the beautiful Donald Duck is ready. I draw back on brown foam paper and highlighted his eyes with black permanent marker and highlight whole character with the golden color foamic golden color marker. Now the Donald Duck is ready to go to school after Corona. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like it. Bye.